Good morrow, ladies and lads, it is I, the Good Knight, back at it again to answer your questions sent to me by thee. Dear Good Knight, there is a loud noise coming from my armor. Is it a dragon or the neighboring village preparing to attack? Well, no, dear reader. The loud noise you are hearing could either be the cushion or pillows of your armor beginning to wear out because your mask does not fit properly. This noise is caused by a leak in your armor's seal, allowing air to escape between the mask and your skin. Now, to fix this issue, I have a list of things that might help you out. First, adjust your straps. They may need to be tightened or loosened, depending on what's causing the problem. Second, replace your cushion, and that might fix your leak that's going on. Third, be fitted for our mask trial program, and we will help you find the right mask for you.